So, the reality of being a creator is kicking in. Nandito na tayo sa part na, oh my God, ubos na yung mga footage na pwede kong gamitin. It started raining because it's a bagat season. So, my walks have been interrupted. And the weather is on and off. Or probably they're just excuses, really. Siguro, the truth of the matter is the sparkle is gone. The sparkle of being a creator is gone. And the reality of being it is coming around. And I'm gonna keep it short because there's really no footage to feed this video other than my voice. But I think what really keeps me going on, or what makes me continue this, is because of that initial spark na you wanted people to learn what you learn and to also have something to say, kasi I think that eventually at some point we are going to inherit the world, and it's best to share what you know. And also because maraming times na yung mga sinasabi nila sa internet, the side comments, the opinions, they actually mold you, and sometimes hindi sila really for nothing. Minsan talagang may laman yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao. It's just so happened that different people have different views and different people have different lenses that they use in life. And so for me, the lesson that I would like to impart today would be, when the sparkle of the thing that you like the most is gone, I think it would still be best to still continue. Kasi in the first place, hindi mo yan magugustuhan if it's not meant for you. Hindi yan magiging something that would interest you if that is not an interest that God wants you to have. I'm not being religious, but like, di ba nga, sabi nila, saan ba galing yung mga interest mo if not from God? Wala namang nakakakontrol ng interest ng tao. Sorry, somebody's trying to call. Anyway, that's the lesson for today, kids. So, I guess, yeah. Bye.